Did you know that over 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? We're going to talk a little bit today about the 3 stages of wealth and how you can become one of that 22% that is not living paycheck to paycheck and truly start to build a legacy of wealth and freedom. What's going on, guys? I am Josh Smith, and welcome back to the channel where I help you guys learn how to make money and create a legacy of wealth and freedom in your life. And today's concept is going to be so powerful. It's going to be an eye-opener and kind of shocking to a lot of you. But what my goal for the end of this video is, I want to reveal to you guys the 3 stages of wealth as I see them. And I can't take full credit for this. One of my mentors, Jeff Lerner, came up with this. He calls it the 3 phases of legacy, but I've kind of adapted it and made it kind of fit my model and how I want to help people. So by the end of this video, you'll know what those 3 phases of wealth creation are and how you can get started with the first one. Because the sad reality is, if you are part of the 78% right now who are living paycheck to paycheck, you have not even entered the first phase of creating true wealth and creating true freedom in your life. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and we're going to talk about the first phase right now. And the first phase is called the income phase, okay? And usually what this means is people are sick of their situation, you're tired of your situation, whatever it is that's going on, you need more money coming in. You make a conscious decision, I no longer want to live paycheck to paycheck. You decide that, okay, well, what's the fastest way to not live paycheck to paycheck? Screw saving, screw living off rice and beans. Sorry, Dave Ramsey, but your advice sucks, okay? You're not going to live off rice and beans. It's not realistic to want to do that. And you know what? If you are going to live off rice and beans, you can do what most people are just going to do anyway, and that's start a business, okay? That is how you start creating in this income phase. That's how you enter into it for 99% of people. It's by creating additional income on the side, and that is through a business, okay? And other people's advice, financial advisors, they're going to tell you to save, be frugal with your money. Understand it takes the exact same amount of willpower and discipline to save consistently and to live very frugally as it does to start a business and start generating more income. So to me, it's very obvious, right? Which are you going to choose? Are you going to live frugally and save and not live the lifestyle you want? Or are you going to use that same discipline, the same amount of effort that it takes to do that, apply it towards making more money, get to live your lifestyle at the same, and then have extra income coming in, okay? Again, to me, it's a no-brainer. And guys, if you're ready to get into that income phase, I'll address a little bit later on how you can get started with that. But again, the income phase, it's very simple. It's the first stage of creating true wealth in your life, and it's really just making a declaration, deciding, hey, you know, I want to better my life, I want to better my finances, I want to better my situation. So I'm going to start a business and I'm going to figure out how to get more money coming in so I can truly live the lifestyle that I want. Okay. And then from there, again, my audience right now, most people that I'm talking to are beginners. So we won't spend too much time on phase 2 and phase 3 right now. But phase 2 of creating true wealth in your life is the growth phase. Okay. So understand, phase 1 was the income phase. You have that income coming in. Okay. You get it up to a $10,000 per month level. It's humming. It's going good. You got that extra income coming in. Okay. Now you have to make a decision. Well, do I want to just live comfortably like this, or do I want to continue to grow even more? So now you decide to go into the growth stage, and this is the stage where if you are in business, especially online business, you're going to learn how to automate. Okay, this is a huge word. You are going to learn how to automate the systems and processes you already have in place, and then you are going to learn how to outsource, okay? So understand, this is how you truly grow a business past that level of you doing everything on your own inside the business, okay? How you truly grow your business is through automation and through outsourcing. So what I mean by that is, say you start doing an affiliate marketing business like I do. You're partnering with other companies, right? They handle all the back end stuff, so you only have one responsibility. Again, it's a great way to get started generating a income on the side because you get to focus on the marketing side of things. You promote somebody else's business, they handle everything on the back end, okay? So How you grow from there, okay, now you understand my business, we're at that 10K per month type of mark. What do I do to take this to the next level without me having to do any more work? Okay, you're going to get on Upwork or one of these places where you can hire an ads agency, okay? Because you've been doing everything organically so far, right? You've just been growing your business and creating stuff on social media like you're learning from me, right? You're going to be creating stuff on TikTok. You're going to be creating content on YouTube, that type of stuff, right? You grow your business to that 10K per month mark. Okay, now all of a sudden, what can I do without having to create any more content? Well, you want to learn how to really grow a business, you're going to have to learn paid advertising. Now, if you don't want to take the time and spend the money to learn all of that on your own, I suggest, get a basic understanding. But again, we're going to automate and outsource. Why spend the next 3, 4, 5, 6 years of your life learning how to run paid ads, okay? You already have a system in place because it's at that 10K per month mark, right? You want to grow it. Go out and hire an ads agency, okay? Pay somebody who spent years or decades running ads on the internet, and they can do it successfully for you because your system already works. It's converting because it's already at this level. So now you automate it and you outsource it to somebody else so they can grow the business for you, okay? So then you get up to that, whatever mark that you're comfortable with, you're spending ads, maybe you're making 50K a month, okay? I'm going to be honest with you guys, right? I am in phase 1, getting ready to go into phase 2, okay? Understand that. So I'm not in phase 2 yet. So again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on phase 2 and 3 because I'm not an expert in that by any means yet, but I understand the process and what it takes to get to the next levels. I've completed phase 1. I'm starting to implement phase 2 into my business, okay? And that's that growth stage. And then from there, whatever level it is that you're getting up to, right? You're starting to reinvest that in the business again, through ads. And then you get more money coming in. You spend more money on ads and you grow and you grow and grow until you get to a level where, hey, you know what? You're going to enter phase 3 now, which is the wealth stage, okay? We've got the income stage, we've got the growth stage, and then we've got the wealth stage. Like phase 3 is like you've arrived now, okay? Your business is humming, you're at the level you want, you've quit your job, you're making 20, 30, 50, 100 grand a month, whatever it is, reinvesting profits over and over and over again, growing your business. Now you have a business, okay? Understand that you can do a couple things with here. One, it's going to be worth a lot of money and somebody's going to pay you for it. And you know what? You sell it off for $1.5 million, $2 million, $5 million, $10 million, whatever it is. You retire at age 35 and spend the rest of your life drinking Mai Tais on the beach, okay? Like that's what happens when you get through that growth stage and really enter the wealth stage, okay? You can sell off your business, or what I'm going to plan on doing, I don't plan on selling my business anytime soon or when I hit that stage, but once you get to that stage, right, and you've got your debt paid off and you've got all that money coming in, okay, what am I going to do with it? You're going to start investing it, not reinvesting it in your business, but investing it in other opportunities, buying smaller businesses that are already established and making money every single month. You're going to be buying assets like real estate, places that you can turn into Airbnbs that are going to create passive cash flow in your life in every single month, over and over and over again. Okay, that's one of the secrets of the truly wealthy people. Understand, they're not just spending time for money, okay? Or they're not trading time for money. They've got money coming in. They've got a lot of money coming in. Now, you have that money coming in. How can you utilize that money best to have it make you more money? Again, the stock market is a great way to do it. It's very consistent. There's some great vehicles out there that are very safe, okay? But understand, real estate, the dog is barking. Roxy, hey, hold on. All right, welcome back. Sorry about that, everybody. As you can see, I'm in a different shirt. It's daytime out now. We had something come up. The dog was barking. But anyway, we're back now. We're going to finish this video out. And as you know, obviously, we're entering that third phase, the wealth phase, right? And I had just mentioned, investing in the stock market, real estate, buying up small businesses. There's all kinds of different things you can do once you enter the wealth phase. But the main concept behind it is These people, and what you want to do, right, when you get to this phase, you've already got your surplus income coming in, you've got your debt paid off, you've been reinvesting in the business, it's growing, right? So now you've got you're through those two phases. Now the goal to create real wealth, and this is a secret, whatever you want to call it, of the wealthy, of the rich, that all of the most wealthy people in the world do. They put their money to work, okay? So understand, their money is not just parked in a savings account. It's not just parked somewhere, okay? Their money is in motion constantly. It is always working. And the true secret of creating wealth is, yeah, you got a ton of money coming in, okay, but if it's just sitting in a savings account, it's not doing much for you. And you have to go out and you have to continue to work to get more money coming in. The secret of the rich, the secret of the wealthy is they have their money work for them, okay? So a couple of the basic ways that we do this, again, it's investing in stocks, crypto, whatever it is you want to do right now. It's buying up real estate, right? It's investing in real estate. It's buying up small businesses, investing in small businesses. So understand there's a bunch of different ways to do this type of stuff. I'm not going to be on that phase too much because I'm not in that phase yet. And I expect 99% of you that are watching it are probably not, watching this are probably not in that phase yet either. So we're not going to stay too much on that. But I do want to show you guys that, okay, these are the three phases of wealth. Like, you understand what they are. First is the income phase, right? We got to generate more income. We got to create a surplus income. Okay. The next phase is the growth phase. That's where, again, we're growing that income, we're paying down debt, and we're getting debt free. And then last is the wealth phase, where we truly start to create real wealth and that real freedom that we all crave, right? Again, money cannot buy happiness, but it can buy options, okay? Or it gives you options, okay? Money cannot buy happiness, but it gives you options. It allows you to do the fun things that you want to do. It allows you to not live a life of constraint, right? So the fastest way, the reality of the situation, again, as we touched upon it at the beginning of the video, is 78% of Americans right now live paycheck to paycheck. And then 90% of us are unhappy with our financial situation, even if we're not living paycheck to paycheck. So what's the fastest way to start getting out of that? And the reality is most of us haven't even entered the income phase yet, right? There's no surplus income. 78% of us are living paycheck to paycheck. That means there's no additional income to grow your wealth, to do the fun things that you love doing, okay? So how do we get to this, right? How do we enter that income phase? And I said it earlier, 99% of people who enter the income phase and have success with it, they start a business, okay? But understand, we're talking about a modern economy, a new economy type of business, okay? An online business. Because when you think of traditional businesses, right, there's all kinds of overhead, right? You got to get startup capital. You need, a warehouse. You need to rent space every month, okay? You need internet. You need phone service. You need to hire a team, right? There's all these expenses that go into starting a traditional business. However, a modern economy business, an online business, okay, you eliminate 99% of that overhead, right? So right now you're seeing more and more people get started with online businesses in this new economy, specifically through affiliate marketing, right? I'm not going to get too far into affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about what it is, I'll link out a video down below so you can check out what it is and how you get started with it. But essentially, affiliate marketing is you focus on the marketing and the promotion, right? You get eyeballs to somebody else's business, to somebody else's products or services. And when people buy from that company because of your marketing, you get paid a commission, okay? So again, we think about an online business and eliminating overhead. Affiliate marketing takes that even a step further because now you get to focus on one thing. So if you're like me and you have limited time and limited resources, right? You want to build something in your spare time where you're only working, 15 minutes, a half hour, an hour a day, whatever you can put into it. You partner with these companies and they have the sales processes in place. They have the product fulfillment in place. They got the team in place. They handle all of the traditional overhead and headaches that come along with a business. You focus on one thing, that's marketing and promotion. And when somebody buys, you get paid. Okay. So understand, it's this business model called affiliate marketing. It's the fastest way for you to enter that surplus stage, that income stage. And I want to show you guys something real quick so you can see here that I'm not just making this stuff up. Okay. This is my commission log in one of the offers that I promote. Okay. And I just want you to take a look at this for a minute. And this is not to flex. This is to show you the power of this. Okay. I have a lot of videos on YouTube showing, my behind the scenes of my affiliate marketing business, my TikTok strategy. Okay. What you are looking at right now is the result of posting 3 pieces of content on TikTok a day. That is it, okay? Whether it takes me 10 minutes or an hour to create those 3 pieces of content, I do it day in, day out on autopilot, on repeat, and it's allowed me to build this type of sustainable income through my affiliate marketing business, okay? Could you imagine, okay, what it would be like to have a day where you make $2,300 in a day, or a week where you make 8,500? Okay, that's more than most people are going to make in 3 months of work, okay? Could you imagine what it would be like to make almost 15 grand in a 30-day stretch, okay? I want you to imagine for a moment how quickly your life would change, that you could go from not only that surplus stage, okay, but now you're in the growth stage, and maybe you've got debt paid off really, really fast because of this type of stuff, okay? Just imagine how this could impact and change your life so quickly, okay? And understand, what you were looking at there, that is only from one offer that I promote in my affiliate marketing business, okay? So again, that's not to flex, that's just to show you the power of this stuff. And that, again, I built that in my spare time, guys, literally working less than an hour per day. So that's the possibility of this stuff, guys. If you're interested in learning more about that specific affiliate program that I offer, or more about affiliate marketing, I'll link out down below to the same challenge. It's called the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. It's the same challenge that I used to learn all this stuff, to help connect the dots of how to enter that surplus income stage, okay, and really start creating a passive income style of business online through affiliate marketing, okay? I got all the training. I learned about the funnels, the copywriting, all these things that you hear me talking about. It started there for me. I struggled for over 3 years with this stuff. Finally learned about affiliate marketing through that 15-day challenge, and that's when everything changed. In the last 8 months, my life has just completely transformed because of this stuff. So if you're interested in getting into the income stage, the surplus stage, starting that modern economy style of business, okay, it's linked out down below. Get started with that challenge today, and I'll go ahead, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.